Green, Archangel Raphael and green. Primarily, we will be working with Malachite today. Isn't this gorgeous? The, these sides, the top and the sides are polished, and then there's a little bit of the natural still under there. The bottom is actually of this piece is actually already polished as well. We also have green green fluorite, which is one of my favorites. We have some aventurine, interesting colors with the green aventurine. And it's not a usual one. Sometimes I have to remember the name of this one because it's so unusual. I believe it's from Afghanistan. And then we have serpentine. Serpentine is more for Kundalini energy, which is also part of healing. So who is Archangel Raphael? He is the primary energy healing or healing angel. So heart health, that's more Archangel Jophiel for unconditional love. Archangel Raphael, right, okay, thank you, good example. So many years ago, I don't remember the year off the top of my head, it might have, who knows. Anyway, from right now, it was maybe 8 years ago, maybe 9, and because this is 2025, so 8 or 9 years ago, I experienced emergency gallbladder surgery. Not fun. The point of this part of the short story is that once I was released from the hospital, and I did call in my angels to help me, absolutely, especially Archangel Raphael or Raphael, however you want to pronounce his name. And every day I would move a little, and what I would say is, Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me heal my body more every day. I said it that way so that my conscious mind wouldn't get triggered and go, that's BS, that's a bunch of junkalitis. Because if I were to say, Archangel Raphael, thank you for healing my body, I would move and there would be pain. So that would, just blow that whole intention and that affirmation right out of the water. So you say something that is generic-ish, that you don't give your conscious mind something to go, yeah, baloney, BS. That's, not true. You're lying. You're making stuff up. And your conscious mind is really very good about that. So if you are feeling poorly, this is about raising your vibration from the inside out. This is certainly not about disregarding anything in your natural path or your medical doctor has ever said. This is about adding to. And if you just use crystal energy to help raise your vibration above where the pain is, where the let's just say your energy is dirty. Okay, your energy is just, you've had a very stressful day and you just want to clear that out. I'm trying to be respectful as well as making sure, being very intentional about non-medical and more metaphysical, spiritual, and energetic ways to help raise your vibration, which then adds to regeneration, rejuvenation, and raising your inner vibration to your natural health levels. If you are on any other kinds of medications or protocols, this is not instead of. Absolutely not. So green fluorite, fluorite is the soul stone. The green is for your energetic well-being, overall well-being. Malachite is all about health, wealth, and abundance. So, and then so is aventurine, green, serpentine for your kundalini energy, which is also the figure 8 and infinity sign. Okay. So if you're wanting to raise your kundalini energy, which is also, figure 8 is also abundance, then I would use serpentine, and you can use or call in, ask Archangel Raphael to help you heal beliefs, patterns, actions that get in the way of you attracting more of what you want and less of what you don't. So let's go with Malachite. That's the primary. And then we'll follow up with some green fluorite. At least that's the intention in this moment. Okay, so where do you want to hold this? Hold it in your left hand. And you can have an open palm, okay? You can have an open palm. And if you are drawing energy in, I would have your right palm facing the ground or out a window. The cool thing about being out a window is that you're not aiming the energy at anyone or anything. It's just being dissipated. It's leaving. It's not staying with you. And if you are having your right hand pointing to the ground, even if you're on the 20th floor, everything that is in the walls, the floor, the ceiling has been derived from Mother Earth, and it's being dissipated and absorbed into those materials. Yes, they're no longer earth like outside in a park or in your garden. Still, they came from there. And you're not, the energy, as I understand it and have been taught, whether you agree with me or not, this is my understanding, my lessons from my own angels, the ones I work with. The energy does not go through the floor, which is then somebody else's ceiling, if you're in a high rise of any kind. Okay, so energy comes in through the left, out through the right. Yes, even if you're left-handed. Now, if this just totally doesn't resonate with you, then put it in your right hand. It's not about forcing you to do anything. These are the ways that I was taught from my angels and what I have read and experienced and practiced with myself and on the other people, my clients, for a very long time. I started this journey in 1989, okay? Archangel Raphael, thank you for being with me. Thank you for helping me to heal any and all energies that are out of alignment, thoughts, emotions that are out of alignment with my natural high health. Thank you for wrapping me. Imagine or visualize this part. Thank you for wrapping me in your one at a time, please. Thank you for wrapping me in your beautiful bubble of emerald green light, regenerating, rejuvenating, and refreshing my earthly body so that I feel better and I am helping myself to heal energetically, metaphysically, and spiritually. Okay. Now let's say you want to heal, and we're working with the green ray. So on the metaphysical level, let's say we are wanting to heal any lack or limitation. So I would not ask Archangel Raphael to help me heal lack and limitation, because that's what the conscious mind then lands on, lack and limitation. Instead, thank you, Archangel Raphael, for helping me raise and clear my prosperity and abundance frequency, my inner vibration. Thank you for helping me see and recognize opportunities that are in alignment with my path, my passion, my purpose, so that I may be more, do more, and give more. That is a much more positive approach. We're not pretending that there are some stuff over here. What we're focusing on is over here. Okay, so how would we then work with green fluorite? I'm switching gears up here, so please bear with me for a moment. Archangel Raphael, please help me connect with my soul purpose. Please help me remove any and all things, experiences, emotions, memories, clearing my path forward with grace, inner peace, and compassion, health, wealth, and abundance. Green. Any questions? Which part did you like best? Any of it? None of it? Do you have any questions about Archangel Raphael and witch crystals? Do you have other green crystals that you like? Maybe green obsidian? Do you have to use palm stones? No, you can use a sphere. You can use an obelisk. Palm stones are good. You can use a lot of tumble stones. It has to be bigger than my thumb, or if this is the size you have, then enough to fill your palm. Okay? All right. That's pretty much it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Please share this with your friends, anyone who is interested in crystals and angels. And we'll see you tomorrow, beautiful soul. Thank you for stopping by.